Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here today is a Verizon iPhone 7, in which we're just going to log in to our Page Plus dealer portal to run the IMEI check as well, to show you that this is a Verizon iPhone 7 that is on the reported status. This is part 1. It's going to validate, because when it comes to Page Plus, if the device is reported, you're going to see false. As you can see, it's frozen. iPhone 7 rose gold, 128 gigabyte. I'm not sure if, since this is a new device, I'm not sure if it's going to show on a swapper. We're just going to check swapper anyway, just to show that it's the same device. As you can see, we copied and pasted the IMEI. Yeah, as you can see, it's reported lost or stolen. It is a Verizon device. This is part 1. Tune in to part 2. Thank you for watching. Tune in, subscribe. Verizon iPhone 7.